guys, so today I am back with another video, and today I have a special package. Let me just put that over. Yowdy. What's this? I have actually no idea what this is. So Amazon sent it to me, so let's just open it. Got it. There we go. And wow! Thank you so much, Amazon. Look what they sent me.
Oh my!
Amazon is the best thing ever.
Give it the box.
It's a dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs?
Like animals. Because I get confused because one time Amazon sent me a dinosaur, like dinosaurs, and
yeah.
If you haven't checked that video out, it'll be linked in the description, right down there. Okay, so let's. Oh, look, a hippo! Oh, look at this! Oh, look at this tongue! Ah.
Okay, let me see it.
We
Oh.
have so much more creatures.
Te va a morder la nariz.
Ah. No, I'm bigger.
Okay.
So let's just put that right here. And do you like guys giraffes?
Giraffe.
Giraffe. Oh, look at the giraffe. It's so cool.
I know.
His little tail. Look at this tiny little head. Someone can squish it. What else do we have? I just wanted to pick this out from the beginning. A bear. A bear. Which one do you think is gonna win? The bear or the hippo?
The hippo. Wow, maybe.
Ready? Ready. Sit. Ref will never help. He will be the referee. Never mind, she's gonna sleep. And 3, 2, 1, fight! Choke. Which one won?
Oh no.
The hippo won. Want me to tell you why? He bited his neck and he opened his mouth more. And the bear just did like a little, like a pinch. But the hippo did like a straight up big bite. So let's pick another one, shall we? Oh, how about we get this out? What is this? Wow! Oh my god, it's so big! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! What's this? Let's put these on the side. Whoa! Welcome to the zoo!
Yeah.
Can you put that more over here, please? Thanks. Look at the zoo, guys! Where do these go? I see pandas, hippos.
Okay, what else do you have?
Hippos have to go here, so he's right there. The zoo, and I don't think lions have to be in, bears have to be in the zoo. I have no clue. So let's just...
Lions?
Yeah, I don't think bears go in zoos. Where does the giraffe go?
Maybe in the forest.
Yeah. Can you put the giraffe right there?
Of course.
There you go. The bear's sleeping right now. But let's get something out. Oh, an elephant! Elephant! Where does the elephant? Right here. I just love this. What else? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh wow!
This has to go here. I thought I had to go over here on the lines, but now. Does that mean we have a line? Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Let's get something else. I love pandas. They're just so cute to cuddle. Baby ones, except I love the baby ones. Panda!
Aww.
Panda! Panda! Oh, look at this little pandy. Look at the little pandy. Cuddles. I just love this. A zebra! We also have a zebra.
Oh.
Where's the zebra? Over there. Look at this. Just look. Now the zebra goes over here.
Okay, right here.
What else should we think we should get? Just zebras are just like a lot of zebras in the world. Maybe there's like 5,000 zebras out. Well, some of them are dead. Yeah.
Okay, what else?
A lion! Did you actually know that lions like pandas? They want to eat pandas? That's so sad though. So the lion gets to stay on the back of the zoo. The elephant fell over. The elephant wants to go to night-night now. I don't think we have what is it? What is it? Like this. What's this? I forgot. A panda. Or what is it? An ape or something. I don't think we have it. Aww.
What else?
Yeah, but this. It's
Oh.
a lion too, I think.
No, the one is tiger, isn't it?
Tiger, yeah.
Let me see it.
Do raccoons go in zoos?
Raccoon?
Yeah, raccoons.
Yeah.
Really? We have a raccoon.
Oh!
So sick, huh? Where does a raccoon go? Oh. The zoo escaped.
El raccoon lo vamos a dejar aquí donde están los alligators.
The hippo escaped. The hippo escaped. Why did he?
Alright, what else do you have?
What else do we have? I'm really sorry for the deers, but the deers actually, people kill deers.
Yeah.
I'm very sorry, dearie. Love you, dearie. This had to become. Deers have to die. Where does the deer go, actually? Well, here is the deer.
A yellow one.
A yellow one? Right there.
Oops. Él quiere dormir.
Let him sleep.
Okay, what else? Oh, wow.
Look at this thing. That's a long tail.
Yeah.
A super long tail. Oh my god, the bear's like just staring at me. Like the entire time. The bear is literally staring at me.
So, ¿cuántos animales tienes en tu zoológico?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
12.
And the bear is staring at me again. Someone go get him. No one? Fine, you can wake up. Attack! Ugh! That was easy. This is just so much fun. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe and leave a like. And one like means one cookie delivered to your house. So you better like it up if you want 1,000,000,000 cookies. You better like it up. Like it up. Like it up. And we'll see you on next time. Goodbye.